Hi superheroes in training, Butasia here, the world's first superhero of beauty with Hollywood Beautiful. Today I'm going to show you how to use pomegranate facial oil. What I'm really into right now is Phyto's organic pomegranate and cranberry oil with CoQ10. So what I do is I just take a few drops. It's so rich and yummy, that's all you need. Warm it up in your hands and press it into the skin, and it just feels so wonderful. CoQ10 is great because it's an enzyme in your body that fights off free radicals, and pomegranate and cranberry oil is great at fighting free radicals as well too. So what I have left over, I'm just gonna rub into my hands, and I don't want to waste any of it, so I'm going to put it into my cuticles as well. Now I'm going to finish off with my powder foundation, mineral foundation, for a beautiful finish. For more beauty tips, go to hollywoodbeautiful.com, like me on Facebook, or follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching.